So in this video, I would like to thank our dear friend, Indonesian friend, Ani, through Mamita Viva, who gave this video to me to be shared with you all, guys. And while we are in the other side playing the water, the seawater, the other people are in the other side to doing the coasteering. So we went here last week. The current is really issue. By this time, the current is really more dangerous because of there's a typhoon, actually typhoon 1, but this time is really very big wave and strong wind. So, and I would like also to thank the 3 Chinese guy who called the boat company to be sent here in this side to help them. And beside that, they're also still looking for another 2 young guy who's been missing. So let's watch this. But they are too brave to do this, and as we can see in this video, and there's a 2 Indonesian and 1 Filipina. The boat is already arrived.
The police cannot swim?
No. They can twist the light for the wave. If helicopter can. Boat no. They cannot. They can't swim.
Yeah. I can see the fish. Very lion.
They can swim good. You see? I lost my finger already.
So ayan sila, 1 Filipina and 2 Indonesian. Yeah, of course they are so happy because she was safe already. But the another one, as we can see right now, you see kung paano siya hinampas talaga ng haalon at naglaruan. So na-met ko yan siya before na umuwi kami, and we had a dinner, and on her right palm she had a cat. In this video, the man used the roof so that the Filipina can swim back here because the boat really cannot go near because of the strong wave. So the people were cheering her because she can make it and give her courage to do so. As we can see, all the people are cheering them. Kaya, kaya means go, 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 something like that. So ayan siya. Namit ko rin ito yung Pilipina na ito, and we had a dinner too. Ayan, so all of them are telling their experience while they are stranded in the wave or something. As we can see, how many times na ako nagpunta dito pero hindi kanyang kalakas talaga yung wave. pero this time talaga napakalakas niya. So they use this rope para makaswim back siya. Ayan, to help her. Ayan, si Che, Nancy. Ayun, so while nagkakatuwaan kami, dumating ang mga rescue. Ito, sa Coast Guard. Doon lang namin nalaman na may tumawag pala ng 999 or rescue kasi nga may nawawala at may nahihirapan na mga domestic sa paglangoy. So, yun, dun lang namin nalaman na may something wrong pala. One lady injured her knee. When we leave, the Coast Guard are still there. While I'm doing this video, I found out that the two men that they've been looking for is Pakistan, and when the Coast Guard found them, they are already dead. So in behalf of Indonesian and Filipino group, we are sending our condolences to their family back in Pakistan. So in my co-adventurer, please be careful. We must be careful for our family back home and always be safe. God bless.
Thanks for watching.